Good morning, everybody. It's Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm. It's a foggy day here in Tennessee. We're just getting over the rains from the aftermath of Hurricane Helen and all that. But we got a lot of fog today. I'm walking up my decimated driveway from all the rain, so I'll be doing some driveway work soon. But today we got one order for 2 loads of wood chips down in Centerville, Tennessee, which is maybe 30-minute trip for me down there. So we've been there before. This is a person building a huge organic garden, and they're starting over. They're one of these implants. They've moved in from Texas, so we welcomed them to Tennessee, and they're getting busy, starting their little homestead. So it's pretty awesome down there. Anyway, I'm walking up to get the Kubota, the New Holland's over there in the hayfield and a couple farms over. So today I'll be loading with the Kubota L3750. Thank y'all very much. Got a little bit of wash. This is a crusher run or ABC, or what do they call it, road bond some places. A lot of it stayed, but it did cut a hole in it. Our drains up here got overwhelmed. Got lots of projects. I think I need a new tire on the 04. Let's tarp it down and get on the road. Let's rock and roll. Okay, great, looks good, and that's what their organic stuff's still going fine. Let's do trip number 2. On the way. Okay, she wants it along this edge. She's gonna make a berm here. Man, they've done a lot of work on this anti-deer fence. Amazing. Looking beautiful in there. All right. Put that remote up. That's the first load, and then their deer fences, man, it's halfway done. Looking great. All right, I just got back home. I hope everybody enjoyed that. It's a great customer, and their organic gardens coming along great. So thanks for riding with us today. Appreciate you watching.